This is it! Graduation day from Samar to Cavite real quick. Dalawa lang pala kami. Cyrus nasa bahay. Iwan lang siya. Hindi natin pinatay yung aircon. Marunong naman siya. Marunong naman na siya. Bago nga kami umalis, sinarado niya yung mga window para daw akala ng mga tao walang tao sa bahay namin. Pero nandun siya sa loob. Gustong-gusto naman niya yun kasi makakagamit siya ng gadget. So yun, let's go! Anyway, share ko palang aking hair and makeup for today. DIY lang yan. Siyempre, I did it with myself. Si ate naman, siya na lang din nag-makeup ng sarili niya. Sa sobrang mahal ba naman ang graduation fee, naku, wala na kaming pangbayad sa makeup artist. Sa pagkakaalala ko, umabot ng 11,000 plus or almost 12,000 na yung binayaran namin para sa graduation fee. Daan lang tayo saglit dito sa Creative Zone. Pick upin ko lang yung in-order kong bouquet para kay ate. At ayun na nga, ito na yung chance ko na may share sa inyo kung anong naging experience ko sa flower shop na to. Nandito na nga ako sa flower shop nung pick upin ko na yung flower, yung bouquet. Nako, hindi pala nila nagawa. Syempre, ang initial reaction ko ay ang mainis. Pero kinalmahan ko na lang dahil wala na rin naman akong magagawa. Nakakainis naman talaga yung situation dahil event day na ngayon. Yung ayaw mo sanang ma-stress, gusto mo lang sana mag-focus dun sa event. Kaso bago pa man magsimula yon, na-stress ka na. Inikot ko pa yung camera ko dito sakaling nandito nga yung order ko na hindi lang nila nakita pero wala talaga. Kaya ang ending ng usapan namin, gagawin na lang nila right away and i-deliver na lang nila for free. Kaya naman daw nilang gawin within 30 minutes. Then yun, okay na sana. Kaso napaisip ako, wala palang signal doon sa loob ng school. So hindi ako basta mahahanap or makokontak ng delivery rider. Kaya naging useless din yung offer nila sa akin. Kaya ang ending, bumalik na lang si Ed sa flower shop after 30 minutes. Pagbalik niya, ready naman na at okay rin yung gawa nila kahit mabilisan. Ang point ko lang is, inconvenient talaga yung nagawa nila sa amin. Sana wag na lang maulit lalo na sa iba. Grabe no, may mga circumstances talaga sa life na hindi natin kayang i-predict. Na kahit gaano ka pa ka-prepared, may mga bagay pa rin mangyayari na wala sa plano. Lesson learned, maging humble at maging mahinahon. Dahil hindi lahat ng delay o inconvenience ay may masamang intention. Minsan, part lang talaga siya ng life natin. Nakuha na ni Daddy yung flower. Umabot naman before 3, natapos na nila.
May I call our President, Dr. Antonio B. Ramos, to award a flag of appreciation to our commencement speaker.
For secondary schools of the Republic of the Philippines, I respectfully request the confirmation of their graduation.
Step forward and sign it. So by virtue of the authority vested in De La Salle Medical and Health Sciences Institute and the Department of Education of the Republic of the Philippines, and upon certification of your director that you have satisfactorily completed all the requirements of basic education curriculum of the Philippines, I hereby confirm your graduation from the De La Salle Medical and Health Sciences Institute. Congratulations! You may now transfer the task of your
graduates from 12 Brother Andres, Earl Francis Lozada Poblador, Anatea Nicole Marcelo Alejo,
pa lang. 30 pa lang.
Danica J. Calixto Giarja, Camille Damatse Hurago, Tiffany Magna Rose Alardazo, Shria May Sandova Lictawa, Andrea Corinne Dizon Molina, Serene Andrea Formadan Monteras, Marielle Regent Angkong Maxon, Denise Bless Yumang Ramos, Rian Denise Ramos Ranyeses, Chanel Kimberly Supio Siaso, Arian Adamito Solarte,
Brother Estalia Pasi, Mr. Verba, Professor Dr. Pedron, you may now be seated.
Sila, Andres.
May we request our President, Dr. Antonio E. Ramos, Ms. Maria Grace Yatlan, Director for the Strategic Management Office, Professor Dr. Susan Oliver, Mariel Anglia de Leon Godinez, with high honors, will now deliver the words of appreciation for and on behalf of the graduates.
I'm graduate of Special Health Sciences Senior High School.
Please remain standing for the blessing to be bestowed by Reverend Father Johnson Hiro Quillo, MS, Chaplain of the De La Salle Medical and Health Sciences Institute.
We do not forget God in our endeavors. If we forget God, let our right hand wither. Success comes truly if God puts into the picture. That is the Lasallian spirit. Students, do not forget God in your achievements. The Lord be with you. Lasallian prayer. I will continue, O my God, to do all my actions for the love of you.
Congratulations to all our graduates, to their parents, and to the faculty you have molded and formed them into competent and compassionate Lasallian professionals who are graduates. On behalf of the faculty, administrators, and support staff of the De La Salle Medical and Health Sciences Institute, I offer our warmest wishes. Good luck, and may God bless you as you forge your way through life and your career. Ladies and gentlemen, the recessional.
So yun, tapos na ang graduation. Ngayon on the way kami para sunduin si Cyrus. Anyway, ang galing ng gumawa ng program. Talagang tinapos nila or natapos talaga ng 3 hours. Kahit sobrang dami nila, 9 section na tagpo 40 students, natapos nila ng ganun kabilis. Yung building na nadaanan natin, yan yung building ng senior high. Ang learning commons naman, yan yung library. At yung nasa katabi niya, ayan yung building ng rehabilitation science ng college. Cyrus is here! Yan, nasundan na natin si Cyrus. On the way tayo pa Formosa para mag-dinner. Ano nag-start? 3, 4, 5, 6. Galing no, 3 hours lang natapos na agad yung graduation. Kahit sobrang dami nila. Ilang section yun ba? 9 section. Natig po 40.
Mga 38.
9 section. Galing kasi 3 hours lang hinamot yung ceremony. Tapos na.
Are we done yet?
Let's go! Bubarin mo na yan yung ano mo.
Yeah.
Waiting.
Why are we eating that? I told you eat pizza.
No, me. I want for me.
Next time. 4-4. Ha?
Marami lang tumulong.
Wait, that's fine.
Yeah. It works. It works.
Go. Slowly lang. Like $4. Ribs. Gawin ko na lang po yung dip kasi.
Let's move the pizza.
Ano?
Pag may post-it na. We're pasta. Oh, that's...
Every Thursday and Friday.
So, ano ba kayo?
Tuesday na lang yun.
Thursday.
Give me your fork.
That's it.
No, that's mine.
2?
You already ate two. I ate one only. You see which one's better. Wala ata silang food.
Pwede tayo mag-ingat. Wait lang, sir.
Pero sweet lang, it's not. It's not rice.
Oh, rice.
Siguro yung rice. Peppers.
Wait lang.
Which one?
That sauce.
Cheese tsaka steak.
materials.
Ito yung gusto niya ipaluto sa akin. Gusto ko. Tagal niya i-bake.
Alin? Expert na.
Tumagal ka. Cheese lang siya. Basta pa tayo. Nga pala. Bakit ko pa ito ubusin? Sabay? Sabay niya.
Malapit na to.
Asan ka lang?
Like the ribs. Eh, tingnan mo.
I like the ribs.
Barbecue. Ribs is my favorite. Pork. Sometimes beef. Slowly lang yung rice.
Yung sunod na ilalok forward natin yung seafood sa Cebu.
Pagkadating ko. That's
Sarap
what
ng
I-
chicken doon. Ay,
Try na natin.
chicken.
Para hindi ako nag-rice. Sa 20. See?
Pagbaba natin doon tayo kain.
Parang last month ko pa yun. Ano oras ba tayo?
Ay,
10. Siya, 8. Naantay sa dun sa atin.
ako muna ng taxi.
Madalas kami yan.
Thank you so much.
Hotel Chef. Pizza and pasta na lang po.
Pasta na lang.
Pasta na lang kasi ito.
Hey, Rus, you don't like?
Busog na daw. Busog na pala to.
Okay na muna ako.
Hey Rose, how about you? Here,
Just try. Ayaw mo na ngayon mo siya. Mamaya ka na pa. Go, go, Gabi. Go.
Hindi ba tayo nagpa-picture?
Nakakita eh.
Ha?
Hindi, nakakita.
Ang gabi naman ako. Ang gabi yun.
Oh, okay. Complete po. Complete order. Thank you po. Thank you for waiting.